So now we will see text transformation property in CSS. So guys, basically the text transform property is used to specify the uppercase and the lowercase letters in a text. So guys, let us check this with the help of examples in VS Code over here. So simply I'll remove the previous lines of code that we had written in the HTML and the CSS file over here. And in the HTML file, simply we are going to have a tag which is representing the heading 2 with the help of h2 tag in this case. And we will say this is heading 2. So guys, basically we have simply defined the text, that is this is heading 2 over here. Let me just save this file now and try reloading this page on the browser. So as you can see, we have the h2 tag with the text, that is this is heading 2. Now guys, let us say we want all the characters, that is all the letters inside this heading to be uppercase letters. So what we can do is simply inside the style.css file, we have to define the tag. In this case, we will define h2 tag over here, and simply we have the text transform property, which is a CSS property that can help us in order to provide the uppercase or the lowercase letters for the text inside the HTML elements. So as you can see, it has multiple values. We have capitalized, then we have lowercase, we have none, and then uppercase. So guys, by default the none value is being applied to all the HTML elements, but in case we want all the letters to be uppercase, simply we can provide the uppercase value over here. So let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, all the characters over here in this case are uppercase, and this is the way that we can use the text transform property with the help of the value that is uppercase in this case. Now guys, apart from this, let us say we want all the letters to be lowercase. So what we can do is, let's say we have another paragraph over here. So simply inside the HTML, we will say p tag in this case, and we type this is a simple paragraph. So guys, if you notice, we have typed all the letters in the uppercase over here so that we can see how the lowercase value for the text transform will work for this paragraph tag. So let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, by default all the letters are uppercase over here. So what we can do is, let's say we want all the letters to be lowercase for this p tag. So simply we will provide the p tag over here inside the style.css property, and again we will be using the text transform property in this case, and this time we will be using the value as lowercase. So when we say lowercase, all the letters for this text inside the HTML element, that is the p tag, will be converted to lowercase. Let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, all the letters are being displayed as lowercase letters now. Guys, apart from that, we have another value that is capitalized. So let us check that as well. So inside the HTML file, in this case, let us say we have the div element, and this time we will type all the letters in lowercase. So simply we will say this is a test div element. So guys, over here all the letters are in lowercase. So this is a test div element is the text that we have written inside the div element. Let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, all the letters for this div element is in lowercase now. So what we can do is simply we come to the style.css file, and for the div tag we want to apply the text transform property. So over here we say text transform, and this time we select capitalize value. So guys, what will happen when we say capitalize as the value for the text transform? Let us check that. So let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, the first letter of all the words are now being converted to the uppercase letter now. So the word that is this is having the first letter as uppercase, and then we have this I as the uppercase, then we have A as uppercase, T is also uppercase, and then this D inside the div is also uppercase, and the last word that is element is also having the E letter as uppercase letter over here. So guys, this is the meaning of capitalized value for the text transform, which means the first letter in all the words will be converted to the uppercase letter, and it will be displayed on the web page based on your requirements. So guys, we have seen all the values of the text transform. This is the uppercase value, then we have the lowercase value, and then we have the capitalized value. And in this way you can set the text transform value based on your requirements. Comment in the comment section below whether you have learned something out of this video. Please make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to the channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. The next video that we are going to talk about is text spacing property in CSS. So stay tuned.